what I have here today is another charger from a new company called Daka. Basically, there's two wireless chargers, and gonna take a look at them. Now, the first clip is gonna be on this wireless charging pad for your car, and then the next one is gonna be for this wireless charging vehicle dock. I'll put this on the side, like I said. This is coming from a company called Daka. You'll see the link in the description. And you know that until now I've been using my trusted Neotix charger, which has worked very well for me up to this point. Again, this is not a fast wireless charger. This would work only for wireless chargers, wireless enabled phones. So here you go, what's in the box. A reader feedback card from the company, an instruction leaflet telling you exactly how to work it, and then little sticky pad. You can stick this on your dashboard if you want. The charger itself, the plate, and two different mounts depending on how you want to set this on your dashboard. I'll put the box aside. I'll deal with this later. Small box, simple, nothing to write home about. And let's have a look at this. So this is how it looks like. That's the front and then the back of it. Undo this screw from here, and that's if you want to mount, hold on, if you want to mount this, you would probably go this way and place the ball into grip, just tighten it up. You have a sticky pad here, and this would go on your dash in any position you might want to put it. Tilts and shivels on its axle. You have a cable stored in here. Looks long enough for any card that you might have. It's a normal USB cable. There you go. Stretch. Press the button on the top, and the cable rolls neatly into its place. That's a nice, neat feature of this. I haven't seen this done on other chargers. Magnetic plate. As you can see, or maybe you can't see, basically what this is, there are 4 little magnets on each corner. The company actually tells us that this would work only with phones that have a case that is less than 6 millimeters thick. Now I'm gonna try it on my Samsung S8 and I'll remove my old case. This is the ring that I use with the other charger, and this being magnetic, let's see if this works on this. As you can see, it does stick. I always try the shake method to see how hard the magnet is, so I'm shaking it. Okay, I would say it would be alright on normal roads if you use it just like this. In comparison to my old one, let's compare it. Again, this is a much stronger hold. The magnet in this is much stronger. But having said that, this will work. Now, let's place this in a case. Again, you can remove the plate and apply it, stick it onto this. But what I'm going to do, I'm just going to place it straight into this, into the case. The instructions are to place it showing with these signs up, I believe. I'm just going to have a quick look. I had a quick look online before. I'm just going to have a quick look now. So the magnetic plate, it's going to go, yep, with this particular sign upwards. I'm going to place my phone in it. Alright, so it comes straight to the back of the phone. Place it in a case. Press down. And let's try how magnetic this is now. Whoa. There is some magnet points here that actually don't work. Let's try another thing. Remove it again. Okay, that's much better. Now then, remove this again. Polarity of the magnets is reversed. So basically, it should go in your case like this. That's much better. Again, sticks to the back of the case. Press it down, and here we have it. Now this is a strong hold again. It does compare to the old one I have. It's as strong as. It does feel strong. I have to shake it quite well. There you go. In the end, I got it off. But it was quite a struggle. Here we go. I am shaking it. This is strong. I like this grip. Even through the case, it's a good grip on the phone. And again, with this case, I have a little gap, as I had with the previous circle that is with this. I did have a little gap on the case here. Let's remove this. Have a quick look. Here we go. Slides over. Turn it around as you want. Place it back in your case. Very strong hold. I'm loving this. Alright, now let's use it with the battery. Let's see how it is when charging. Grab the cable, plug it into my external battery here. I have a green LED light on the outside. You might not see it because the light is too strong out here. Probably can see it through here. There's a green LED light. Press the phone on it. It's charging. But right now it's not. The green light is gone. I'll try my power bank again. You can see it's green. And now it stands blue. And my phone does charge. Let's see. Checking. and it's charging wirelessly. Estimated time 28 minutes. Remove it. Phone has stopped charging. Press it back. LED turns to blue. Phone is charging. We'll just have a quick look of how it's going to fit on the dashboard, how you can fit it in different places in your car. But other than that, I'm quite happy with this product. In the next clip, I'm going to take a look at the wireless charging vehicle dock. So how do you install this in the car? You have a couple of options. This is how it comes first, like this. The first option, like I showed you before, is just with this sticky pad straight on your dashboard in whichever place you'd like. Place this ring over this pole, push it in, and they tighten this grip. Remove the back in, place it anywhere you want on your dashboard, and you just stick it on. You also have a spare one in case you want to change your mind later and place it somewhere else. My preferred option, however, let me remove this, undo the screw, and just pull out. This is a spare ring anyway. My preferred option is the vent, so similar like before. Place this in there and tighten the grip. You have a crocodile clip here. Press the button, it opens, and it's gonna go on your vent. So I'll keep this as spare in case anytime later I will change my mind and want it somewhere else. Now I'm gonna go and see how it actually looks on the dashboard. So here we are. I'm gonna mount this charger quite simply on the vent. Press the clips on, put it on, and here you go. In comparison to the older one, it does stick a little bit more on the outside. That's because the mount for it's longer, as you can see. Look at the difference. Some people might like that, some might not, depending also on what car you have and how your preference is. Let's move it on that side. Like I said, the neat feature of it, the pull-out cable pulls out the exact length that you need. If you want it loose, then just pull a little bit more and just let it hang. You can see the LED lights on the sides are green. I just want to tilt it a little bit forward. Just loosen a little bit this grip. There we go. Just gonna use my both hands. Therefore I need to put the camera in some positions. Okay. Remove this. Just gonna do it quickly, like so. There you go again. And now it's in the position that I wanted it. Alright, now let's place the phone on it. Let's get it out of my pocket. Comes on right away showing it's charging. we go. It is charging. Remove the phone. Place it back again. Perfect. This is it. That's the DOCA wireless pad, magnetic charger. I'm using it in my Galaxy S8, but you can use it with any phone that actually supports wireless charging.